Good morning. My name is Mr. Bryan, and today in the Illinois Autism Partnership virtual classroom, we are learning about music. Music is a really fun way to spend your free time, play with your family and friends, and express yourself. And making music doesn't require any special tools or materials, so you can make music anywhere. Today, we will review our schedule, sing our greeting song, learn our key words, play in our music lesson, and wrap up what we've learned. If you have the music lesson schedule at home, follow along with me. Review schedule is finished. Now it's time for our greeting song. This is a song that I like to sing in the morning when I start my groups. Hello. Everyone, let's say hi to everyone. We're happy that you're here. Now I like to add a little bit of a call and response. So I'll say hello and then you say hello right back. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? How are you? Let's say hi to everyone. Let's say hi to everyone. We're happy that you're here. Third time, I like to sing or to add a little bit of a clap in between each line that I sing. So after I say hello, 2 claps. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Let's say hi to everyone. Let's say hi to everyone. We're happy that you're here. Now that we have warmed up with our greeting song, let's talk about our key words. If you have your key words list at home, you can follow along with me. I'm going to start a word wall so I can remember all of the new words we learned together. If you want to start a word wall at your house, make sure you ask permission first. Don't forget to share pictures of your word walls to the Easter Seals Chicago Facebook page with the hashtag virtual classroom. You might even see your picture in our next lesson. Our first word of the day is musician. A musician is a person who makes music. A musician might be a professional singer or a professional instrumentalist. Other musicians make music for fun with friends. Some musicians just make music for themselves because they like it. All of these people enjoy making music and can be called musicians. Our second word of the day is sing. Sing is a verb that means making musical sounds with your voice. When someone doesn't have an instrument, singing is a great way to make music. Some people sing in the shower, while others like to sing in the car. Some people sing very high and loud. Other people sing very low and quietly. Some people sing along to music while other people without music. Singing can be a great way to pass the time when you're bored. When do you like to sing? Our next word for today is dynamics. Dynamics is a musical word for volume. When we make music or listen to music, the sound may be loud or quiet. When music is loud, we may want to wear headphones to protect our ears. When music is quiet, we may want to relax or take a nap. Remember to be careful when listening to music that is too loud. It can hurt your ears. Our next word today is tempo. Tempo is another musical word that refers to speed. When we listen to music or make music, the speed of the music may sound fast or may sound slow. When music is fast, it may make our bodies move fast and want to dance. When music is slow, we may want to rest or relax. Sometimes the tempo of the music makes the music sound happy, sad, or even angry. Our last word of the day is rhythm. Rhythm is the repeated pattern of sound and silence in music. Similar to a heartbeat, rhythm is a series of pulses. Rhythm in music may make you want to tap your toes, sway side to side, or even dance. In music, the drums are usually responsible for maintaining the rhythm. Great job reviewing our new keywords. Let's add them to our word wall. We talked about musician, sing, dynamics, tempo, and rhythm. Let's check our schedule. Review keywords is finished. Now it's time for our music lesson. Our music lesson is going to be a dance lesson while using some of our keywords. We're going to do a freeze dance where you need to follow directions. Today I have two special guests to help you along the way. This is Nora, and this is Teddy. Say hello, team.
Hi!
Now remember, listen to the directions and follow along. Dance any way that you want to. Dance any way that you please. Dance any way that you want to. But stop when I say freeze. Clap your hands any way that you want to. Clap hands any way that you please. Clap hands any way that you want to. But stop when I say freeze. March your feet any way that you want to. March your feet any way that you please. March your feet any way that you want to. But stop when I say freeze. Now we're going to add some of our key words. Ready? Shake as fast as you can. Shake as fast as you can. Shake until I say freeze. We're gonna sway as slow as you can. We're gonna sway as slow as you can. So sway, sway as slow as you can and freeze. Now we're gonna sing as loud as we can. We're gonna sing as loud as you can. We're gonna sing as loud as you can until I say to freeze. Now we're gonna whisper as quietly as we can. We're gonna whisper as quiet as we can. We're gonna whisper as quiet as we can. We're gonna whisper till I say to freeze. Now we're gonna dance any way you want to. Do any way that you please. Dance any way that you want to. But stop when I say freeze. Good job, everybody! Wow, great job, everyone. Now let's check our schedule. We watched our lesson. Now it's time to wrap up what we've learned. We learned a lot today about music. We learned about being a musician and got to sing during our music lesson. We were able to practice changing our dynamics from loud to quiet. We also practiced using tempo by moving fast and slow. I hope you enjoyed making music with us today. Did you learn something new today? Find someone in your house that you can share what you learned. After this lesson, be sure to check out all the fun activities we created for you. Now, let's take a look at our schedule one more time. We started by reviewing our schedule. Then we sang our greeting song. We reviewed our keywords. We did our music lesson. And now, wrap-up is finished. Our schedule is done. Our music lesson is finished.